Okay, in today's video, we are doing 9709 paper 11 May June 2026. It is a 1 hour 2 minutes. So, we are in today's video, we will do question number one and okay. Now, in question number one, they are saying in the geometric progression, the third term is 50 and the fifth term is 12.5. So in geometric progression, GP, APG, we have first term it is A, then second term is AR, third term is AR square, and then N. How we will find because AR N minus 1. So AR N is the number of terms we have third term minus 1. So we have AR square. So now, what is the first third term? So to find the third term is equals to 50. So third term by using AR n minus 1 is equals to 50. So in the place of AR n minus 1 is equals to 50. So AR square is equals to 50. We got now. What is the fifth term? Fifth term is equals to 12.5. So fifth term will be number of term is 4. Sorry, 5 minus 1 is equals to 12.5. So AR4 is equals to 12.5. Now, what we will do? Now, now what we have to find? We have to find given that the common ratio of the progression is positive, find the sum to infinity. So what is the formula for sum to infinity? S of infinity, S of infinity is equals to A over 1 minus R. Okay, so P does not have A and does not have any R. So how we will find A and R? We will use these two equations to solve it simultaneously. We will divide we will divide this AR4 over how will we do? AR raised to power 4 over AR square is equals to 12.5 over 50. Okay, so from here A and A cancel and we cancel when we cancel R, so R, so this will be R square. So R square is equals to 12.5 over 50 is equals to 1 by 4. So what is the R which is common ratio? We got 1 upon plus minus 1 upon 2 and we take R as positive. Okay, so this is our R. Now we have to find A. So A, it is very easy. We'll plug this R in this equation to find A. So A bracket 1 upon 2 square 1 upon 2 square is equals to 50. So the A we got is 200. Okay, we have A and R. Now it is very easy. Now we will find sum to infinity. The sum to infinity is equals to A is 200 over 200 over 1 minus 1 upon 2. So what is the answer to sum of the sum to infinity? So 200 over 1 minus 1 upon 2. So the answer we got is 400. So this is our final answer. Now, moving to question number 2. In question number 2, they are saying find the expansion of each of the following expressions, ascending power of x up to and including the x square. So we have to first do for this, which is 1 plus 2x s to power 5. So we will use the NCR formula. So this will be 5C0 bracket 1 raised to power 5, bracket 2x raised to power 0 plus 5c1 bracket 1 raised to power 4 bracket 2x raised to power 1 plus 5c2 bracket 1 raised to power 3 bracket 2x raised to power so 5c0. So when we do 5c0 5c0 into 1 raised to power 5, so we got 1 plus 5c1 5c1 into 1 raised to power 4 into 2 raised to power 1. 2 raised to power 1 is 1. Okay, so we got 10x. 10x plus 5c2. 5c2. 5c2 is 10. So 5c2 into, yes, 5c2. So this will be 5c2 into 1 raised to power 3 and into 2 raised to power 2 is 4. So what we got? We got 40. 40x. So this is our final answer. Why? Because they have said find an expression, each of the following expression in ascending power of x. We will start from the ascending power of x and up to the including term x square. So we have included term x square. Now, what we will do? Now, for part 2, we will use the same formula. Yes. Now, in part 2, it is 3 plus x square raised to power 6. Now, we use the same formula. We will do 6c0 bracket 3 raised to power 6 bracket x raised to power square into 0 plus 6c 1 bracket 3 raised to power 5 bracket x square into 1 plus 6c2 bracket 6c2 bracket 3 raised to power 4 bracket x square into so 6c0 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 into 3 raised to power 6 is equals to 729 729 plus and 2 into 0 is 200. So x raised to power 0 is so that's why I'm not writing. So 729 plus now 6c1 is 6. So 6c1 into 3 raised to power 5. 3 raised to power 5. So 14 58 x square 14 58 x square. Yes. So this will be 1458 x square plus 6c2 into 3 raised to power 4 in okay. So this will be 1215 x raised to power. Okay, now okay. The answer will be till here because they have said up to the including up in ascending power of x up to including term in x square. So we have term in x square till here we will exclude this. So the answer we got is 729 plus 1458 x square. So this is our final answer. Now in part B they are saying hence find the coefficient of x square in the expansion of this. So we'll copy these the expressions. We got this. So first of all, in part A, part one we got this. So we will copy it and paste it. So this first expression is this, and second expression we got is from here. So it's so they are saying find the coefficient of x square. So what we will do now, see, if we will multiply this one with one with 1458, so we can get x square. And if we multiply, yes, and which term we can multiply, and we can multiply 729 into 14. So now 1 bracket 1458 x square, 1458 x square plus plus 14 x square into 729. So this will be 1458 x square plus so 40 into 729. So what we got 29160. 29160. So what we got the coefficient of x square. So if we add 1458 plus 29160. So we got 30618 x square, 30618 x square. So coefficient, sorry, yes, right. Coefficient of x square is equals to 30618. So we got 30618 as the x square, coefficient of x square. So this is our final answer because it is the coefficient of x. So I hope you got the how I have done question number one and two. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.